Yes, sir.
All right. All the best.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have to I have only to present code or the video also.
Yeah, both of the things. You can just largely explain what the problem statement is, and then you can go ahead. That would
Yes,
work
sir.
out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. बाकी दोनों पार्टिसिपेंट्स का तो टाइम वो नहीं आया पार्ट्स उनका अभी तक हर्षित
Yes, sir.
ठीक है स्टार्ट कर
So can I present like from the PDF problem statement?
हाँ फर्स्ट लार्जली एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट वाज व्हाट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू टू अकम्प्लिश और उसके बाद व्हाट यू हैव डन दीस थिंग्स आल्सो कवर
Okay, sir. Okay. Uh, Good morning, everyone. My team name is Ultrabotic. So, first, I will explain what exactly the problem statement is, and after that, I will explain my code that how what was my approach to solve this problem. So, the problem statement is like that. We have a bot, and there will be a four behavior of that robot that we want that this robot should show this four behavior. And for the indication of this behavior, we have to communicate this robot with other platform, uh, cloud platform, which one is Blink. So in this case, I am using Blink platform to indicate like which behavior I want from the robot. So if I will set love behavior, then what will happen in this case? Bot will make circle around the light source. If I want fear behavior from the robot, then this robot uh, will show repulsive behavior toward the light source. And in aggressive or anger behavior, bot will move close and strike the light source to exhibit aggressive behavior. And in wonder unarmed or we can say neutral behavior, in this case, the motion of the bot will remain unchanged even in the presence of the light source. So now I will explain my approach. So is there any need I have to define these variables, or I can start from the main code?
you can just largely mention what how you have how you have approached all these behaviors.
Okay, so, first I am taking four virtual input from the Blink. So I'm just storing this input in aggressive, love, fear, and neutral Boolean variable.
Harshit, did you mention about the Blink application in the problem statement? Like we need to have a software as well as a hardware front, right?
Yes, sir. So
You
that's
have
what I.
achieved both of them, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right, all right. Go ahead.
Uh, so after if I will receive a value from value or the indication that which behavior I want from the robot. So let's say I'm from the Blink application. I'm just setting this aggressive behavior. So what will happen? That aggressive will receive one in this case. So I will utilize these values in the main code that if I want aggressive behavior from the robot, then I will press aggressive a particular button which will make which will make a virtual zero pin high, and then that input will store in aggressive variable, and then after that I will use this value in this main loop or main code. So if aggressive, the value of the aggressive is 1 or true, what will happen in this case? First it will first it will print that aggressive button is on, and after that I'm reading, just for my reference, I'm reading LDR4 value. Before that, let me explain the uh, structure of my robot. So in this case, I'm using four LDR basically. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So basically, these three LDR module is just for indication that just for use. I am using these three modules for receiving the intensity and just following the light source. And the fourth one is for like if light source is very near to this robot, then this LDR module will give output. So um, I'm declaring here. I'm declaring one another variable, also integer. So initially the value is 0. So if p is equals to 0, then what will happen? It will go in this if condition, if else statement in this condition, and first it will rotate until it will get light from light source. Let's say I'm for the argument I am declaring that LDR 1, LDR2, LDR3, if the value of these three sensor is high, so what will happen? It will rotate. So let's say in some case, if this bot will receive light from anywhere, then what will happen? It will exit from this while loop, and after that, what will happen? The fourth one, LDR, if the value is 900, greater than 900, so again that again this while loop will execute if value of the fourth LDR is greater than 900.
Hold on, Arshad.
Yes.
You are using digital sensors, right?
Sir, actually, we have only nine digital pins,
Huh?
and I have connected six digital pins with the motor driver, and then the left I have, and after that we have only three digital pins, but I have to connect four LDR module.
Okay, so
So
fourth one you
that's
are connecting to this AD, this
analog. Yes.
analog and digital. Got it, got
Yes.
it. Mm.
So what are the values you are receiving in case of like in case of
Sir,
analog?
yes, sir. Sir, if there is no object in the front of that fourth LDR, then we are receiving 1024 value.
Okay. And if
If
they
the object, if the light source will be present in the front of the that fourth LDR, then we will receive around 40 to 50 value.
okay.
So basically, what sir, can I proceed?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So if the value of the fourth LDR is greater than 900, that means there is no light source in the front of the board. Uh, So basically, this loop will execute until it that the value of that LDR4 will become 40 to 50. That means that the light source is near to this board. So for my reference, I am just I am just storing the value of this LDR1 2 3 sensor in LDR1 to 3 variable.
Okay, okay. What is the scar function?
Yes, and
Scar.
after that, I'm declaring this car function. Let me explain this car function. So, if the value of this LDR312 sensors are 0, that means that light source is present in the center of this box, like at the front of the box. So, actually, we will receive 0 when the light source will be present at the front of the sensor. So, So can I proceed?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. We'll have question. We'll ask you.
Yes, sir. So if the value of these three sensors, so what will happen in this case? The bot will move forward. If the value of left and the center LDR module is high, or we can say that the object is front in these at the front of these two LDR, that means that bot will like take left turn. That one is soft left, not sharp but soft. And if the right and the front, let's say the object is at the front of LDR2 and LDR1, that means center and the right one, so the bot will move soft right. And like this, if the LDR, sorry, the light source is at the front of the left, only left LDR, at the front of only left LDR, then the bot will take sharp right turn. Like this, if the light source is present at the left LDR only, at the front of the left LDR only, then in this case the bot will take sharp left turn. And if there is no object, if there is no light source, then in this case the bot will stop.
Yeah, you can start with that code only.
Sorry, sir.
You can start with the code you were going before, the aggressive one. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So basically this while loop will execute until the value of this LDR4 become like smaller than 900. So after that, what will happen? That car will stop, and after this, like after this function car stop, I'm just making p is equals to 1, and after that delay for 1 second, then backward for 500 milliseconds, then again car stop, and then for 100 millisecond, and then car will move forward. That means it is showing its aggressive nature. So basically, actually, what will happen if the value of this, like if the value of this p variable will become 1, then it basically continuously hitting the object. It will not go in this loop again, because the value is 1. If uh, if it will go again from this condition, like let's say we are just pressing, we have pressed aggressive 1, then what will happen, that program will go in this statement, if else statement, then after that what will happen, in this case p, the value, present value of the p is 1, so the program will not go in this particular region, so it will continuously hitting that object. So
Okay.
is it
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now like go to the other behavior love.
love one? Yes, sir. So
You don't
so
need to explain whole code, just go
yes,
Yeah,
in
yes,
the
just
main logic.
with the
Yeah.
logic.
yes, sir. So I'm just using the same logic. I love, if the love will be 1, then it will execute this
Yeah,
code.
the entire code is same. Then car stop.
So this one is different one, like
Yeah, yeah.
what behavior we want from the robot. So first the car will stop, and then backward, then sharp right, and then sharp left for some radius of the circle.
So it will be just like your bot won't turn like there'll be some lag, no?
Sorry, sir.
There'll be some lag, right?
Uh,
Is
le-
it rotating in the circle?
yes, sir. So soft. Yes, yes, sir. It is rotating a circle.
Okay.
And until when the soft left would work, like, is there any
Yeah.
breaking point for this?
No, sir. So it will continuously rotating in the circle.
Let's say I want to just change the input. If I'll just change the input, so that will go to different condition, right?
Yes, sir. So if you will change the input, let's say if you will make all the buttons 0, then what will happen in this case? Car will stop and the value of the p becomes 0. so that if
Okay.
we will again make high any button, then again let's say for fear, so that program will execute from here only.
All right, all right. You can just demo it. I feel largely, I think. You have the demo, no?
uh, Sir, video.
Yeah, yeah.
So that one, sir, I have shared one video for the neutral behavior.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. Can you play it right now?
Sir, actually, this is not that much possible. So what you want to see?
Any behavior like love, aggressive, or anything other than neutral.
Sir, I can show the rotation of the motors, and but if you want practically, then it will like mostly it will be impossible for me
Okay,
because
okay. About your fair one, just go some like lines below,
yes, sir.
like the last one. So what you did is, for the fair, it should repel, right?
Yes, sir.
So you brought the car backward, then sharp right, and just moved forward. And then what was the other one? Neutral
Neutral.
fair. Okay, for neutral, you just
So it will
in
just
case
follow
come
the
out.
object and then
Okay,
stop.
so in case of love one, we can check it. I guess. Can you show us for the love one? Because
Or maybe motor movement would also work out in case you
yeah,
can just verify that one.
you
Because,
can
Uh,
just output the which function is getting called, right,
yeah, exactly.
in the
You
serial
have
monitor in
the
case of
video that you
love.
have shared.
yes, sir, yes,
Can
sir.
it
I
possible?
can show. If you want, then I can show from the serial monitor.
All right, that
Like,
would work. Hmm.
sir, actually, I can show that this code is executing, and sir, what and
Yeah, just show whatever you can. We have seen the video, so no issue.
Yeah.
so let me see. So should I give like delay so that we can see this printed message? Um, so this one is for executing.
All right, we are good to go. You can show.
Yes, sir.
That is fine. This would help in understanding.
So give me a minute. Let me connect my bot.
तब तक आयुषी का प्रेजेंटेशन ले ले क्या, अगर टाइम
Yeah, that
लगेगा
would
तो.
work. ठीक है, सही बात है. हर्षित, I think लास्ट में देखते हैं तेरा. Ayushi,
हाँ
you can
वही.
start.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Yeah,
आयुषी.
you can start.
Sir, actually, the problem is that my battery got discharged
हाँ,
and my power supply for breadboard does not work, sir.
हाँ, तो you can just start. Just show the
Start with
logic
the
of the.
presentation, explain your logic, what all things you did,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
see.
Sir, this is the my board. And 1 minute, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
visible.
it is. You are using 3 LDRs, right? Or 4?
No, sir, 4 LDR.
The
Actually,
fourth one is for?
Sir Harshit suggested me to use 4 LDR. First time using 3, then he suggested me that use 4 LDR.
So the fourth one is for?
Where's the fourth one actually?
नहीं इसके
So
नीचे
it's,
होगा बीच वाले के नीचे.
But
sir,
like in case of Harshad, it was a little bit front, right? So it's
yes, sir, actually,
basically it
it's
should be a
not
little bit
visible.
front because both of the LDR will be then you're measuring the same value, I guess. They won't make any difference.
Ah, that's a small difference. Yeah, yeah, most probably. But that would be an analog value, so it's fine enough. Maybe let it be. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
yeah.
according to the
Then
given problem, sir, according to the given problem, we have, sir, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Sir, according to the given problem, we have to show the 4 behavior of the board. That is fear, aggression, love, and natural behavior, sir.
Yeah.
So even,
How
sir,
how you
my
have
board,
attained that in code?
yes, sir. Mm, Sir, actually, I take help from Harshit. So if my code does not work, sir, so I take help from Harshit.
Yeah, yeah. Just largely explain your logic that you're doing. Yeah. You can just go down to the behavior that you have written. Okay. Go to the fear ones, maybe. These behaviors that we have seen. Okay. Can you explain the fear behavior?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Actually, when LDR1, LDR2, and LDR3 has receive we give one matlab, it's receive one value, then it's a start rotation. When LDR4 has less than 900 value,
why do we need to rotate at that point?
yes, sir.
Why do we need to rotate?
Sir, because you said in problem that we have to first rotate the boat and then move fast forward, sir.
Since there is no light, right? Yeah, right.
Yes,
Cool.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
so can you just show me your rotation function for once?
1 minute, sir.
Why you are giving 70/70 to both these two pins? The highest should be 255, no?
Yes, sir.
Then why 70? You want to control the speed of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
और गोविंद ये फंक्शंस ऊपर नहीं लेके जाते हैं मतलब
नहीं
लाइक
इसमें ऑर्डिनो में काम कर जाता है भाई, ये अलग ही
काम
है.
कर जाता है
हाँ.
ठीक है
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Now go ahead with the fair one.
Yeah, fear behavior. Explain the fear behavior just.
In fear behavior, boat has to move backward. So when it received the light, we gave the backward movement of the boat. So.
Okay, we just first go backward and then we. Okay. Sharp right and then move forward. Okay. Can we take sharp left as well?
Yes, sir. We can take both directions, left or right, sir.
And why you are making p is equal to 1 at last?
No, sir. I help from Harshit, sir. I don't know.
You can just Akash, any questions around motor driver or something?
No, you were like at least be able to show anything like before your battery got discharged.
Sir, it
हाँ.
got discharged in 1 minute, sir.
अरे वो एक्चुअली आई गॉट इट. एक्चुअली ये हो क्या रहा, वो पेंसिल सेल्स अटेन नहीं कर रही हैं इतनी सारी सेंसर.
अच्छा
हमने
अच्छा
सोचा
पेंसिल थी अच्छा.
हाँ वो उसमें था ना पेंसिल सेल का इनपुट.
हम्म.
ठीक है. Largely I think code is fine. Have you set up the Blink environment as well, Ayushi?
Sir, yes, sir. I try to set up, but but I does not test because before battery got discharged, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's what's happening. Acha, can you go to the Blink function so on top? Okay. Yeah, a bit bottom. What are these SSID and password? Uh,
Sir, it's
2324.
is sir. Sir, SSID is sir from which device is taking sir Wi-Fi connection, and password is given is password, sir.
Okay, so basically it would connect with your particular Wi-Fi. And what is
Yes,
this auth token?
sir. It's sir Blink authentication number, sir.
Okay, Blink authentication. So it's your one. Okay. So these are the Blink functions. What are these V0, V1, V2, V3, 40? What are these four functions doing in bottom? 42 to 50, 53?
Sir, for aggressive, for love, and for neutral behavior, sir. We are
Okay,
giving these
whenever you.
values.
Okay, from Blink.
Yes, sir.
How do you control the speed of speed of motors from motor driver?
Sir, by enable pin, sir.
What you will do with enable pins? Like how will you calculate? Sorry, adjust the speed. You can just go to one function and then that would be much more feasible. Any sharp right function, sharp left function. Or okay, yeah, sharp right. Okay, let's assume you want to make a bot turn rightward. How will you do that?
Sir, first, if I turn my board right, I give. Sir, I stop one of the left motor and then turn right, sir.
So that would be a sharp right. Okay, if you want to make a soft right, what will you do?
Sir, in soft right, sir, we give sir different speed to both motors, sir.
Okay, yeah, yeah, good to. Akash, anything else that you want to ask?
No, it's fine.
All right, Ayesha. Uh, your okay. Your that driver thing is not working, no?
No, sir.
Okay. In case Harshit is ready.
Yeah, we can demo
Yes, sir.
that.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, a code is uploading. It will take like 10 seconds.
Okay. Okay.
So I just changed some commands for serial monitor. So can you see my screen?
No.
You haven't presented it yet.
So now,
Yeah.
sir, let me initially connect this bot with Blink platform. Uh, so that's great. So now it is actually connected. So sir, if I will make this love button, so what will happen that this while loop will execute because initially the value of p is 0, but before that this love on string will print on the serial monitor. So I am just pressing love button. So you can see love on, and now it is searching light searching. So now continuously this while loop is executing. So there is no object at the front of this LDR. So I think this loop is clear, right? Can I proceed? Like, can I place a light
Yeah.
object
Yeah.
at the front?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So if I will keep my torch or any light source at the front of any area, so what will happen that this light detected message or string will print on serial monitor, and then again this while loop will execute. That will follow object. So I'm just taking my light source near to this LDR. So now you can see it is following object. So now continuously this loop is executing. So after that, if I will make high that fourth one, that means that a light source is near to the bot. So what will happen that this executing behavior message will print, and then continuously it is taking soft left turn. That means it is going in a circle form. It will keep rotate in the circle form. So if I will keep light source at the fourth LDR module, so you can see executing behavior. Now continuously love is on. Basically this message again and again is printing. So if I will make if I will switch off this button, then this basically this will off, and again it will start from the initial position, initially the value of the p become 0.
So you did like p is equal to 1, right? To get exit out of that loop.
Sorry, sir. So p
Okay.
is equal
Yeah. 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 Okay.
to,
So love detected is like your before if p is equal to 0, right?
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Govind?
Yeah, I feel it's good. Largely works. And also, I've seen the video, so video is there in Drive. Can you play that, Harshit, once?
Yes, yes, sir.
The Drive video.
Sir, video. So only the output last one.
No. You can largely play the whole video. It's
Yes. So I think it will take some time. I
Network.
have off. No, sir, I have offline videos on that. I can play that. So is it audible? Video is audible.
No,
no, just
it's
play it and
pause. I
Yes, sir. So now,
no, it's not. But it's fine. Let it play. You can just explain from your
It
end
will
only.
be audible when it will be presented on this screen.
No,
sorry, sir. Sir,
When only
you,
VLC
uh,
player will be turned on, then only sound will come.
you can just go to Meet and change your audio settings. That would also
okay, okay,
work.
okay. Uh,
You have to
Yeah.
stop presenting and you have to present that screen only.
Even other way it is
so
possible.
entire screen or window?
You
Window.
can present your window. That would also work out. The second option would be you can just change the audio settings.
So now,
Now it's coming, but still not audible because of audio settings. It's fine.
It's fine. You can
Uh,
explain yourself.
yeah.
yes, sir. So basically, I'm using this LDR and ESP module, and before that, this homemade motor driver. Uh, and for the setup, I'm just using Blink application. So I'm just setting four buttons in which I'm making high virtual 0 pin for aggressive behavior and virtual 1 pin for love, like this. V2 for fear, and the last one is V3 for neutral.
Okay.
What is the difference between virtual and digital pins?
Sir, actually, there are digital pins, only the physical pin which are available on board. But the virtual pin, the virtual pins are not the actually real pins.
Okay, so basically it gives 0, 1 only, no?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. No, sir, not 0, 1. But if you want, then you can get the range string or float value also, integer float
And
value.
in this case, what are you using?
Sir, 0, 1 only, true false.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, for video, let me show the video. So I will just press that neutral button. So is it visible? Like, can you see it? Now it is following object. So, the value of that fourth LDR become high. That's why it is top for the neutral behavior.
Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
All right. It's fine then. Yeah, I think we are good to go.
Yeah. और कोई नहीं है ना प्रेजेंटेशन
नहीं
में?
और कोई नहीं है उसका पार्ट से नहीं आया बाकियों का
ठीक है.
ठीक है ऑल राइट अपन रिजल्ट विल बी डिक्लेयरिंग ऑन मेल्स
Sure.
So, any suggestion like how I can make better this robot so that I can make one video for juniors also?
Largely the problems that you are facing right now were one thing was the pinout issues, but it is solved, right?
Yes, sir. If we are not using color sensor, that it will be better.
So
You have like Arduino as well, right?
Yes, sir.
But बहुत भारी हो जाएगा ना और देखो चेंज ही करना
भारी
पड़ेगा.
हो जाए एक्चुअली बॉट का साइज ही बहुत छोटा है तुम लोगों का
हाँ, देखने
Sir,
में
that
बड़ा
is
लग रहा था. देखने में बड़ा लग रहा.
that actually is the
Mine
problem.
is dark, sir.
हाँ एक्चुअली
Pardon,
बॉट
IUC?
है काफी
क्या बोला?
क्या
Sir,
बोला
IUC.
मेरा बड़ा है.
Yes.
अच्छा, ये रिकॉर्ड कौन कर रहा है वो बंद कर सकता है.
हाँ रिकॉर्ड बंद कर